What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video where today I'm using science and physics to destroy the Beyblade X competitive meta and bring back a forgotten Beyblade type from the plastic generation. As you guys know, I am currently a college student, and I recently made a friend on my campus named Gordon Freeman who's studying to become a theoretical physicist, and I enlisted his help to bring back this forgotten Beyblade type with a new combo that is currently wrecking the meta. You guys gotta see it. You gotta bring it to your local tournaments. I'm telling you, this thing shreds. Now, for the forgotten type, we have not seen this again since Plastic Gen. It's called a combination type. Now, if you don't remember what a combination type is, I understand. Most people don't. In fact, I only recently found out about these. But back in the day in Plastic Gen, a combination type was a Beyblade that took properties from every other type of Beyblade, so attack, defense, and stamina, and mixed them into one. This was only a thing in the Plastic Gen for some reason, though. They have a similar concept now called balance types, but it's not the same. So I'm bringing that back today in a meta-destroying combo that you need to try out at your local tournament. So without further ado, let's get into the parts. Starting up with the blade. Hell's Hammer. Now, you might be thinking, Evan, what the fuck are you using Hell's Hammer for? This is not a good part. Well, I beg to differ, my friend. Through my testing recently, I've found that Hell's Hammer actually makes an incredible defense blade. You see, these flat edges on the sides of the blade, along with these rounded off contact points, actually make for really good deflection properties. Any incoming attack, if you're using the blade correctly, is just shrugged off when it gets hit. And it's actually a lot heavier than people think. I just recently weighed mine, and it's a solid 38.5 grams. So there you go. I don't know what else to tell you. Yeah. Now, with the blade out of the way, I want to get into the ratchet I'm going to be using, which is, boom, 260. Now again, you might be thinking, why would you use 260? It's so bad, it bursts all the time, and it scrapes really easily, but I beg to differ. This is actually a ratchet with insane attack potential because of these two gigantic knobs here on the sides of the ratchet, where if it hits an opponent, it smacks the shit out of them. I've gotten so many knockouts with just the contact from 260 alone. You wouldn't believe it. You'll just have to watch the rest of this video and find out. Now, lastly, for the bit, I'm going to be using disc ball. Now, a lot of people really are quick to write disc ball off as a bad bit, but I don't understand why. It has the same tip as a regular ball bit, so it already has really good stamina, but it also obviously has this disc around it, which provides even better outward weight distribution, which allows it to spin for even longer. But the disc also provides really good life after death and helps it to avoid the extreme rail if it gets to that point. I don't see a reason to not use disc ball personally, which is why I'm going to be using it on this combo here, which again is just putting the meta in absolute shambles right now. So let's go over everything one more time, and I'll show you guys a test battle just to prove how good this combo is. Hell's Hammer. Heavy blade, heavier than most people seem to think. These flat edges and rounded contact points, again, make it very good for defense. 260 has great attack. This thing will hit other Beyblades and just send them flying out of the stadium. And with the added height from disc ball, because it is slightly taller than other bits, you really get a good chance to hit your opponents with 260. And again, disc ball, just this incredible stamina, really good high potential for any sort of stamina use. This Beyblade does everything, which is why I'm calling it the one combination type in Beyblade X. The first time we've seen a combination type since, I don't even know, 2003 when we had them in Plastic Gen? But that's all I have to say about it. You probably don't believe me, and I understand. This feels pretty unbelievable, right? But just wait, I'm gonna head to my stadium right now and do a test battle to show you how good this is. Alright, I'm here at my X Stadium with a super meta attack type combo, which is Shark Scale 170 Low Rush. Most competitive players will agree that this combo is a huge problem, but my Hell's Hammer combo is gonna take care of it like it's nothing. Let me show you. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot! Oh, I'm done. I'm done. April Fool.